Welcome to Go Computer. Lenovo D330 2-in-1 pros and cons. ఇది మన దగ్గర ఇప్పుడు సేల్ లో ఉంది. Coming to specifications, i5 4GB and 64 SSD. Coming to build quality is very good and performance is very good. 10 to 15 hours of battery backup on a 50% of brightness. I will show you the docking pins. It has two knobs, very strong. Trackpad is very big comparing with other laptop. 2 fingers and 3 fingers moving features too. We can arrange the angles based on our requirement. If you are working, we can arrange like this. After that, if you want to watch any movies, you can attach it like this. And price details, specifications kuda నేను description లో provide చేస్తాను. అండ్ ఆన్లైన్ ఆర్ ఆఫ్లైన్ మీరు ఎలా అయినా యాజ్ యూజువల్ పర్చేస్ చేయొచ్చు. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్ని అప్రోచ్ అవ్వండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.